38 divided by 19 divided by 38 divided by 19. Here, 38 divided by 19 gives us 2, and here we have 38 divided by 19, which also 2. So 2 divided by 2 is just 1. But this answer is incorrect, because according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do the first division, then the next division, and finally the last division. So the first division of 38 divided by 19 is just 2. So we get 2 divided by 38 and again divided by 19. Now we have to do this division. 2 divided by 38 can be written as 1 over 19, then divided by 19. Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we get 1 over 19 multiplied by 1 over 19, which equals 1 over 361. And this is our final answer to this problem.